Share Model Revit plugin for sharing Revit models and an NWC files creation in one click. Share Model is a multifunctional plugin for Autodesk Revit. It helps to automate the process of creating a shared model and an NWC file in one click. The plugin is useful when you want to share your Revit model with your colleagues or when you need it published before sending to your client. Share Model has several advantages that will improve your workflow, save your time, and enhance the quality of the model that you want to share by adapting it to your specific needs. The plugin is highly recommended for multidisciplinary projects where Autodesk Revit is used. It helps you to improve your workflow by creating a shared file that will be used as a link file by other members of the design team. One of the main uses of the Share Model, but not the only one, is renaming the model and creating a new version of your Revit model that will be shared with your colleagues or your client. In order to avoid any changes, for instance in coordinates of the linked model, it is always advisable not to link the original work model, but the shared version of the model instead. And the Share Model plugin helps you to do this. You can easily rename the model and add prefix or postfix if needed. When you locate the file, the destination is saved for your future model sharing. It saves your time when you want to share the new version of the model with your colleagues. The plugin also helps you to manage the worksets of the shared file by sorting the base elements of the model into base worksets, so that the model that you share is coherent and organized. First, fill in the acronym for your discipline. It will be used as a prefix for the base workset. The basic worksets include such elements as levels and grids, reference planes, scope boxes, model lines, and forms. You may create separate workset for all the linked files, so the person who will link your shared file can easily switch the links on or off through the Worksets tool in Revit. Also, you may want to see the empty worksets and set the prefix for them. The important feature for coordination work is creation of the NWC of the model. This feature is a substitution of the NWC export tool in Revit. However, keep in mind that you need to have it installed. NWC export settings refer to the Navisworks export tool in Revit. The advantage of using NWC export tool in the Share Model plugin is that this feature is already integrated in your workflow, so there is no chance to forget to create a new NWC if you create a new version of the model. Not to mention that it saves your time. Also, by using the plugin, you can purge the model from unnecessary views, sheets, and schedules, saving the computer memory of the person who uses the model and saving the time of your colleague by limiting his or her attention to the most important views and sheets. Finally, you can clean model from unused elements, unload link files in the shared model, and archive the already existing shared model. In the above selected folder, you can see the newly created shared Revit model as well as the new NWC file. You can download Share Model from our website ENECA.nl free of charge, following the link in the description to this video. The team of our IT developers will be happy to help you to create the automation means for your specific needs. To contact us, please send your request to info@eneca.nl.